In front of me is POCO C71, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to hit Passwords, Passkeys and Accounts. Then hit Open under Cocoon. Select Google Password Manager and tap on the password you wish to check. Enter your screen lock and tap on this eye icon to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!